皆さん、こんにちは. Welcome to Unit 02, lesson on katakana. So in this lesson, you'll be learning two types of katakana characters. So basic katakana characters and a special type of katakana characters. So you have already learned hiragana characters, and now we have another type of characters, which is katakana. So what we need katakana is for is that katakana is basically used to transcribe the foreign originated words. So hiragana is basically used for like writing Japanese native words, but katakana characters are used mainly for writing words that came from a foreign language like English or Chinese or Korean. But the pronunciation rules are the same, so don't worry about it. Just the writing styles are different and the functions are different. So it's the same rule of combining consonant with a vowel. So like if you look at the K and A, you get the ka. If you combine S to U, you get su. So these combination rules are the same. So you can apply the same rule that you learned in hiragana lesson. So that is the basic katakana characters. And of course, we have the special katakana characters, which you're going to be learning as the second topic of the lesson. So mostly the special characters are also the same deal with the hiragana characters. So we have the diacritical marks, the two dots and the one circle. So two types of marks. So the dots, what the dots do is that they change the pronunciation of the consonant, basically KSTH sound into GZDB sound. So they change the unvoiced consonant into voiced consonant. So if you look at the ga here, GA, without the dots, this character should be pronounced ka, K-A, ka. But if it has the dots, it should be pronounced with a G sound, ga, because the K sound in ka turns into voiced G sound, ga. So K turns into ga. So the two dots, they change the pronunciation of the consonant. In the circle here, this one only applies to these five characters. What it does is that it changes the H pronunciation into P sound. So without the circle, these characters are pronounced with the H sound, ha, he, hu, he, ho. But with the circle, it changes into P sound, pa, pi, pu, pe, po. So these two diacritical marks to change the pronunciation of the basic katakana characters. Also, contracted sounds, we had this in hiragana as well, but same rule applies to katakana as well. So you can combine the e ending katakana with ya, you, yo to make contracted sounds. So if you look at the let's say chi, if you combine that with the ya, chi, and ya, combined cha. If you look at the ni and you, you get new. Ni and you combined, contracted, new. So you can combine certain characters, contract them into a single new sound by using these characters. Finally, this is specifically unique to the katakana characters, but we have certain combinations to represent some foreign words. So obviously, like these words, like Halloween or waiter, walking, these words mainly came from like English or French or other European languages, foreign languages. So obviously, these words contain some pronunciation that doesn't exist in Japanese originally. So these combinations, like u plus smaller e, this is actually we. So the wi sound in Halloween, these pronunciations don't exist in Japanese originally. So we invented these combinations in order to, represent those pronunciation like letters and sounds that originally doesn't exist in Japanese. So like we or f, the fu plus the smaller fa. This is to represent the fa, fa sound, as in file. The fa sound doesn't exist in Japanese originally. So this is something specific to the katakana characters, kind of like special combinations to represent the foreign pronunciation sounds. Yeah. Right. So these are the key points of the katakana characters. Hopefully, I will see you in the lesson.